I'm Don Roberts, bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. The BUC's Reflecting Hope annual training weekend to support and empower UK churches for evangelism was held at the Leonardo Hotel, Hinkley Island. Keynote speakers, pastors Michael Lewis from the North American Division, Daniel Ebenezer from the General Conference, and Dr. Gifford Ramey from Newbold College addressed topics including evangelism methods, discipleship, and church planting. Reports highlighted UK-wide activities, with SEC Director Pastor Royston Smith showcasing the SEC's outreach achievements, while SEC President Dr. Kurt Thomas was honoured for his previous tenure as BUC Personal Ministries Director. Brixton Church celebrated its International Culture Day, emphasising unity in diversity and faith. The day featured cultural displays, traditional dress, multilingual greetings and songs, and sermon by Pastor Richard Daly. Thanks for watching. See you next week.